Are you tired of searching for woodworking projects that never have the right details? Imagine having more than 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans, all in one place. Most free plans online are missing details, confusing, or just plain incomplete. That usually means wasted time, wasted wood, and a lot of frustration. That's where Ted's Woodworking comes in. With over 16,000 complete plans, you'll never run out of projects again. Every design is ready to follow. No guesswork. Inside, you'll find step-by-step instructions, clear diagrams, full cutting and material lists, and even 3D drawings to guide you through each build. There's something for everyone, from furniture and outdoor projects to toys, crafts, and even home decor. Ted's Woodworking has it all. Whether you're a beginner building your first birdhouse or an experienced craftsman taking on a shed, you'll find plans that fit your level and help you grow to the next. With everything laid out for you, you'll save hours of work and avoid costly mistakes. That means less wasted lumber and more finished projects you can be proud of. Thousands of woodworkers have already used these plans to create amazing projects. Now it's your turn to join them. Ready to start building your dream projects? Click the link in the description to grab your copy of Ted's Woodworking today and unlock all 16,000 plans instantly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now go grab your plans and start building something amazing today.